So I was replacing my speakers, and I noticed that my car's vapor guards were completely destroyed. It's just little plastic shreds hanging. So, considering it's an 82, I thought I probably wouldn't find them at the dealer. I looked up how to do it online, and all I could find were people saying to buy the factory replacement vapor guards, which are like 40 bucks, and put them in. Considering how old my car is, you probably can't even buy them. So I decided I'll show you guys how I make my own, since I couldn't find a video of anybody else doing it. First, touched up some nasty little rust spots with this Hermetex. So I started with just taking a piece of blue tarp, cutting it roughly to the shape, and then taping it along the top right here with a piece of duct tape that cost $4.99, as you can see. And then I took some scissors and I trimmed it closer when it was taped on, so that all my little holes for the clips are exposed. And the next thing I'm going to do, or I started doing, is I'm cutting out a hole for where the handle is, and then I'm going to unscrew the handle, tape all the stuff on. Then I'm going to do a hole for where the new speaker is going to go, and one for the courtesy light down here, and some wires. So I'll get taped and then I'll post another video. Okay, so now you can see I've finished taping all around the door opening and locking mechanism. It still works. It's nice. Got the part for the window crank handle and for the speaker. Taped all around it so it's all sealed. And now I just have to finish taping this on, slap the panel on there, and actually put the door back on my car, which is unrelated to this repair. Alright, so now I got the door back on the car, got the tarp fully taped in. It's looking nice and solid. It's definitely stronger than whatever used to be in here. So now the last thing we gotta do is take this friggin' door panel and put it back on. So I'll do that and then I'll cut back to the video. Alright, so now I slid the top part into the windowsill, and the rest of it just kind of flaps. You want to make sure you reconnect this courtesy light's wire in the back here, which I already did. And then you just kind of smack on the plastic clips, and they go in their respective holes, hopefully. So now I've plugged the speaker in and screwed it on, turned on the radio and tested it. And the courtesy light, I plugged in the harness for it and it works. So now I know I'm pretty much done. I just gotta put all this little trim stuff back on the door. And here we are, the door is finished. Everything's done. Looks good. Should be a little warmer, a little quieter, and drier inside.